what we're here for, having a good time.
That sample is going to become a part
That's
of
what we're
our
here for,
melody.
having a good time.
Let's tune it down a little bit first. I'm going to let MPC to chop it up for me. For the drums, I'll just play it about with the standard MPC drum plugin. What's unfortunate with my camera, as you're going to see in a second, yeah, it shuts down. So you just have to believe me, I played that bass. Now listen to the final beat. If you liked it, smash that like button. Subscribe to the channel. And if you have any comments, just leave them in the comment section below. Keep occupied.